Hey guys, in today's video, we are back with some more Bee Swarm. Like last episode, we already got 2 epics. That's insanity. And guys, what are we going to do this time? Hopefully get better. But if you didn't see last episode, we got a bumblebee. What is it? I had a common bee, and I got a bumblebee, and I have not got a cool bee. And I've got the bucker bee, and I've got the fire bee. So guys, those are the bees that I have. Guys, what if you just thought that I was going to say, that's it for today's video. I'm going to go get the black bear and get the quest. And guys, when we hit 25 subscribers, I'll make a new Roblox avatar. Sunflower field. And guys, I hope you like Bee Swarm because I really love this game. So you might see lots of it on the channel. It's already done. $200 honey. Hurry up, bee, you're too slow. The bucker bee's the fastest, for some reason. I don't know why he's faster than the others. Guys, I hope you enjoy this series so far. Another egg. And now we've got 4 bees. 4 bees. We are doing bee great. We are being great. A common bee! Yeah! And guys, I love Bee Swarm, and if you guys don't, I don't really mind, but I just hope you don't mind seeing this quite often. Because I'm not doing like what other YouTubers do and they just unfinish the game. I'm probably going to try to beat this game until I either rage quit or it gets way too hard. That's my limit. I never actually even got to the 35 zone. 400. 500 pollen. 500 pollen. 500 pollen. I'm just going to use this quick thing over here because I really can't be bothered to take all that time just to do it though. Come on, bees. You can do better than that. And guys, we're still trying to hit 25 subscribers. Just remember that. When we hit 25 subscribers, I will be making a new Roblox avatar. And guys, I've got a question for you guys. Why have we not got off 11 subscribers for a really long time? We've been on 11 subscribers for such a long time. We gotta go here, we got to go make some honey. I'm not gonna get the gummy sprout because it's probably somewhere else. Yeah, it's up there. I can't go up there yet. Come here, Black Bear. I will do your quest. Red pollen, red pollen, red pollen. Red pollen, red pollen, red pollen. Red pollen, red pollen. 6,000? I knew it wasn't gonna be 2,000 because the last egg was 4,000. So. I'm here. This is a perfect direction. Fire bee, why are you not burning everything? Well, you climbed the bar. He does a better job than me. Oh. You're making some honey. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this. By the way, I'm playing this on my phone because this is the only thing that I actually have that you can just record the screen on. I clicked on it by accident. Clicked on something by accident. Always happens to me, doesn't it? Clippers, I will buy those. I'm buying these thingies. I want to get on here. That was a really waste because we just straight away get off. Run, I don't want to collect any pollen. Oh, come on, they had to get on the pollen, didn't they? Oh, it's done. It is actually done. That's why you should always check your quest because you never know, you could have finished one. I'm not even trying to click. Two more quests. I think I'm gonna get the rake because this sucks. really want to get that ticket. Can we? Oh, there's one right here. I'm getting that ticket. If it's the last 3 tickets. Sheesh. Now how am I gonna get? Oh, yes, that's it. That was easy. 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 I've no idea. I thought that was a flame right behind me or something like that. I was like, it's my button fire! It doesn't make any sense now, does it? I hope we can get it. Just don't mind the white ones. Oh, flip. Guys, sorry if I'm being a little bit too quiet. It's only because I'm really focused on the game. You need to get over there, though. Come on, character, run! You need to run as fast as you can, character. Go this way, this way, this way. This way. I'm definitely not fighting the massive boss over there. But I got a beetle boss and I'm not fighting it. The quest is complete! Finally! Oh, I'm stuck. But, Frank, I'm getting out. I'm getting out of here and never coming back. I'm gonna get that ticket. Ticket. Free ticket! I can buy a Royal Jelly! I'm gonna do that first. I'm gonna buy a Royal Jelly. fast. I'm fast. I'm too fast. Just keep running. Just keep running. Just keep running. Just keep running. Running. 750. That's literally how much I get for every time I make honey. At least so far. Oh my god! I got a legendary! That is so I am so happy about that. That is actually so rare. How on earth did I get that? I don't know. I did not hack that in. I did not hack it. It just randomly appeared. Sheesh, that caught me out of surprise. I was like, what am I going to get? 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 I've actually never been on that leaderboard before. It kind of makes sense. Oh my god. No, I didn't. Okay, guys. We're gonna do this in the next video. So guys, that'll be it for today's video, guys. So stay tuned and I'll see you next time. Bye.